Okay, let's jump right in. We're about to crack a secret code that's hiding inside every single number out there. It's called place value, and trust me, once you get it, you're going to see numbers in a whole new light.
I mean, seriously, think about it for a second. They both use the exact same digits, right? A 5 and a 1. So what's the deal? Why aren't they the same? Well, the answer is the big secret we're talking about today. In the world of numbers, where a digit lives is everything. So, before we can start building these massive number skyscrapers, we gotta meet the construction crew. Let's start with the absolute basics, the building blocks. The digit is just one of these guys. 0, 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 9. That's it. And what's so amazing is that with just these 10 simple symbols, we can build any number you can possibly imagine. Literally, any number. So if we look at a number like, say, 356, how many digits do we see? Well, there's a 3, there's a 5, and there's a 6. That's 1, 2, 3 digits. Simple as that. Each one is a little building block. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Those digits get their power from their position. It's like having a specific job. Depending on where you place a digit in a number, its value completely changes. And this chart? This is our secret weapon for understanding all of this. Think of these columns, ones, tens, and hundreds, as little houses where our digits get to live. And each house gives the digit inside a different value. Let's see how it works with the number 567. Now, here is the absolute key. You always start from the right. The very last digit, the 7, it goes straight into the ones house. Then you move left. The 6 plops into the tens house, and the 5 goes into the hundreds. See? They just fall right into place. So what do these positions actually mean for their value? Well, the 7 in the ones house is just, well, it's worth 7. But that 6 in the tens house, that's not just a 6. It means you have 6 times tens, which is 60. And the 5 chilling in the hundreds house? You got it. That's 5 times hundreds, or 500. And this is how it all adds up. You take the value from each house, the 500, the 60, and the 7, you put them all together, and what do you get? 567. Each digit is doing its part. Okay, so now we can use this know-how to do something super useful, putting numbers in order. And once you know about place value, there's a dead simple trick to it. First, let's just make sure we're on the same page. Ascending order is just a fancy way of saying going up. You know, from the smallest number to the largest. Just think of climbing up a staircase. You're ascending. All right, let's check this out. To compare these two big numbers, you always start on the far left. So we look at the thousands place first. They're both a 2, so it's a tie. Okay, let's move one step to the right, to the hundreds place. And bingo! Number A has a 3, and number B has a 4. Since 3 is smaller than 4, we know right away that 2,341 is the smaller number. Done! And now for the really cool part. You might think giant numbers are super complicated, but they're actually all based on one simple little idea that just repeats itself. This right here is the secret to reading any number. That little pattern we learned, ones, tens, hundreds, think of it like a little family. Well, that family just keeps moving into bigger and bigger neighborhoods. First, there's the regular neighborhood. Then you get to the thousands neighborhood, which has its own ones, tens, and hundreds. After that, you guessed it, the millions neighborhood. And the pattern repeats again. It's the same simple idea, over and over and over. So look, this isn't just some neat little math trick. Understanding place value is like unlocking a superpower that you are going to use all the time. So why does this matter so much? Because place value is the absolute key to adding and subtracting big numbers. It's essential for multiplying and dividing. Basically, it makes you a confident, powerful number reading champion. So if you remember just one thing from all this, let it be this golden rule. No matter how huge a number is, that last digit on the end always has its home in the ones column. That simple fact is the rock-solid foundation for everything else. So there you have it. You've officially cracked the code of numbers. The pattern is all yours now. The only question left is, how far are you going to take it? What's the biggest, most incredible number you can build now that you know its secret?